Good morning, viewers. It's 6 a.m. in the morning. Pretty tired. It's going to be a long, cold day today. So let's go find out how big of a mistake I might have made. Oh my god, how good is this? We've got a car full of all sorts in here. It smells an absolute treat. Loving it so far. Got the sun out. If you can see in the distance, there's a bit of sun on the hills. But yeah, she's looking pretty good. So fuck yeah. Should we do it? Oh, turn the key off. Just don't want to drain the battery while we're here. But why don't we do a little once rounder? Take a look at it. So this first thing you'll notice is we got a nice red door there. It's only got one red door, so it's only going 1 times red faster. Red ones do go faster, so it's a little bit faster, but not that much faster. But oh, check this out. At least it closes. But yeah. Looks like a bit of fun, doesn't it? It's not too bad, not too bad. I mean, we can see little bits and pieces. We've got some here, some here. Little, you know, no one's perfect. Like, she's pretty straight, all else considered. Looking not too bad. But could maybe be improved, but that's all good. Oh, very excited to get stuck into this. Lots to sort of go through and have a good look at, but oh yeah, it'll be fun. This wind is chilly as hell, so at least it's wonky. I didn't bring my sunglasses at all, so I'll be a bit squinty on the way home today. Yeah, this is it. Welcome to Timaru. Never been here before. I don't even think I've driven past Timaru. So it's yeah, we're here. We've got the inside as well. We'll just check this out. Some of Subaru's finest leather. Yeah. Done old 73,000 kilometers. How good. Oh, this is a real treat. Oh, just check this. Momo. Yeah, boy. That means we're into racing. We go really, really fast with the Momo. I don't even know what you call those seatbelt covers. Yeah, it's got a stereo? Do you think the stereo works? Should we find out? Car's on. And tune. Is this volume? Oh, yeah, I think that was at full volume. It's not. Oh, maybe not so much on the stereo. Didn't bring my speakers, so I might be singing to myself an awful lot in the car. Should we start it? Should we take a look at? We'll take a look at the engine bay first. Oh, I think this is. What do we? Oh. Yep. I actually have no idea of the engines in one of these. I've worked on all the boxer engines of Subarus in the past. I can't even remember what CC this is, but looking forward to getting stuck on into this Yeah, that's normal. Yeah, you don't want that fully connected because that's just too efficient with the airflow. You want a little bit of a gap to just, yep. But yeah, it's got a radiator, nice and warm, so hopefully the heater works, because otherwise, it's going to be a little bit cold of a drive. Alright. But I guess the real question is, how does she turn over? A little bit concerned there for a second. I mean, we've not got the biggest battery in the world. It sounded a little weak, but she's running. We're good. We're going. Awesome. All right, let's pack this up and hit the road. We've got places to be, people to see, things to do today. So let's go. Oh, hello there. Well, let's hit the road, shall we? Got some gas. Clutch is not a lot of fuel in the clutch. I don't know what that means, but I'm sure we'll find out. The car got here, so it should leave here. I suppose the last thing for me to do is just hit the road, and next stop, Christchurch. So we make our way home. Yeah, that clutch is right at the bottom. Doesn't go very fast, but I love that little whine. Oh, that sounds good. Oh gosh, your classic little car. It's noisy as hell. Tell you one thing I'm gonna need is, I might need some Google Maps. Doing over there? What's that you say? Oh, you can't hear me? Ah. Yeah, I suppose it is a little bit noisy. It's you know, you can't quite tell that you're inside of the car, that it's fully enclosed. You know, I can hear every wisp of wind today. Every people that we drive over. How good. What a day though. Check it out. Lovely South Island of New Zealand. Aotearoa. As in New Zealand would say, the 8th wonder of the world. Something like that anyway. I mean, it's a shame you don't have a view out to the left right now. Pristine views of the snow-capped mountains, sun shining, nice and warm. What more could you want? Anyway, just thought I'd let you see some of the sights, so enjoy. Hello, well, voiceover Willie here. I just realized that I hadn't really introduced the car at all. We just got straight on into it. So while you're just watching this beautiful little time lapse of driving up the country, I thought I'd just introduce the 1992 Subaru Ace, also known as a Rex around the world. So I saw this on Trade Me and I bid on it, and $855 later, I'm the proud owner of one little Subaru Ace in Timaru. Now, I had 173,000 kilometers on the clock, but it came with a clean warrant of fitness and 6 months of registration. So how bad can it be? And now that that's out of the way, enjoy the rest of the video. bitch. Oh, I wonder how well the horn works. Oh, Jesus. Oh, wow. Hello, Littleton. Yeah, looks like we made it. Car, she's holding up all right. There's a front driver's wheels making a hell of a noise. I think the brake pad's rubbing quite a lot on her. But, you know, we made it. I'll get that a bit of a check over, just make sure it's just the pad. I don't think it's getting too much worse, but tomorrow is a bigger day before we get to my the garage. So hopefully it's going to last till then. So we're just going to have to find out. But you know, we're here, we're in Littleton, we're in Christchurch. And, you know, I always say there's 3 rules in Christchurch when you're driving a car. First rule is drive it like you stole it. Second rule is do mean skids. And our third rule, I always run a red light. If you do those 3 things, you're a true bogan and you deserve to live in Christchurch. Anyway, I just thought I'd bring that up because on the way here, you know, true to form, did see a bit of road rage. People trying to hit each other and pointing the fingers and getting out of the cars and trying to fight each other at the lights. So, you know, it's all on here in Christchurch. But, yeah, good day. So, we're at the bottom of the hill now, and I don't know if the camera's going to do it quite justice, but this whole road trip's a bit of a reliability test for this car, and here's reliability test number 2. We've got to get up this hill. So, yeah, we're going to see if she can do it. Don't know if she'll be able to, but you know, it's a nice sunny day. The worst is we break down and roll back down here, so just have to wait to see if she makes up the top or not. No, I'm sure she will. We'll give it a good thrash. But yeah, that's it for today. I haven't given you an update. So basically this trip, I've flown all the way down from Auckland to Timaru to pick up this little girl here. And the plan is, I've broken the trip up a little bit. So today we've driven to Christchurch, we've picked the car up, flown down, picked the car up, driven to Christchurch. It's made it here, job number 1 done. You know, she's a few niggles along the way, but I guess you'd say today's the easy day. Probably no other way of putting it. So it's a good thing she made through today, because if she didn't get through today, there's only 3 more harder days in front of her, or sort of. So tomorrow you're going to hit the road nice and early, get all the way up to Picton. So it's about a 4-hour drive to Picton, and then it's going to be about 4 hours to get the ferry over and all that to Wellington. Once we're in Wellington, it's going to be all good though, because we're there. Take the car to my old man's workshop, give her the once over, make sure she is going to get through the next 2 days. So that's broken up as well. From Wellington, it's about another 4-hour drive up and over some hills. Today was mostly flat driving, so it was nice and easy, but we've got to go to some hills, 4 hours to get to Hastings. And from Hastings, again, it's more hills, more scenery, but about another 5.5, 6 hours till we get back to Auckland. So, bit of a road trip. Really test out the reliability. So, yeah. Hopefully she gets there. I'll be up shit creek if she doesn't. All things to do, and I've already taken out 4 or 5 days just to pick her up. Maybe not the smartest move on my part, but hey, look, we've rung what we've rung. We've made the decision anyway, so time to send it like a true Christchurch bogan. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's see if she gets up the hill. And try not to piss off too many of the locals. She's a little noisy, the car. A little squealy. Anyway. Oh. made it up the hill, so that was job number one.